Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the Oneplus 10R which I recently bought. And actually there is a story behind this Oneplus 10R, guys. Let me tell you that story first. So OnePlus devices started getting that green line on the screen, and my dad was one of the victim of that, unfortunately. My dad had OnePlus 8T. OnePlus 8T is OnePlus's flagship device, one of the flagship device, and that got the green line. And I had to visit the service center, and I asked them that what is the procedure to replace this green line, and what is the exact procedure. So what they told is the screen glasses, the hardware for that is not available immediately, and it will take approximately 3 to 4 months for it to get replaced. You have to submit the phone here, and you just that's the procedure basically. And I was stunned, guys. I was stunned. Basically, for 3 to 4 months keeping your phone here, and if you don't have a spare device, then it's gone. You basically are not getting anything. And at that time I had to make a decision. So they gave me one more option, that if you don't want this phone, suppose OnePlus 8T at that time was approximately 2.5 years old. I had purchased it long back. So if you don't want this phone, suppose, they were ready to give me a coupon voucher of 20,000, 20 or 22,000 something, and I had to buy this OnePlus 10R for that. So I saw the specifications of OnePlus 10R, and I thought, anyway, this phone 8T is getting old. I understand it's not OnePlus 10R is not a flagship device. 8T is a flagship device, but it got old 2.5 years. And I guess software updates at that time was approximately 3 years. So I thought about it, and then finally I went on with choosing this option of getting the coupon. I got that 21,000 coupon, and then when I went to the OnePlus website, I had to buy it from OnePlus website itself. So I went to the OnePlus website, applied the coupon, and I was already a Red Cable Club member, guys. So on top of it, I got approximately 1,000 discount more. And finally, after all the discounts, the final price of OnePlus 10R for me at that time, I think it was 27,000, 28,000, approximately 28,000 phone. So for me, I had to pay just 500 rupees extra to get that OnePlus 10R. So I bought this OnePlus 10R for just 500 rupees ideally, but yeah, I had to give my OnePlus 8T, and then that's the entire story of this purchase. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, here I got a parcel finally from OnePlus, and the superb thing is, this is the magic. Can you see it? No? Now you can see it. OnePlus 10R 5G, 128 GB, Syria Black. Total amount is 499, and the phone price, actual price, is 38,999, and I got it for 499. How? I'll tell you in this video going ahead, but first let's do unboxing. Let me get my knife 1 second. Here is my cutter, and let's open it from this side. Oh, there is a 2-layer protection. This is good. So this is OnePlus 10R, guys, which I got from oneplus.in, and how I got for 500 is the mystery, but this is how the box looks like. This is a very firm box. As you know, OnePlus is known for its packing. This is very sturdy box. Let's see where all the seals are. Okay, here. Oh, it's a nice. It's a no scissor, no blade use box. You just need to peel it like this. So we'll just peel it. This is good box or good packing from OnePlus, as you can see, and These are the bill and this is the phone. It says OnePlus 10R. It's a thick box, guys. And let's see the contents behind. As you can see, 1 unit mobile phone, 1 power adapter. So still OnePlus supplies power adapter, 1 Type-C cable, 1 quick start guide, welcome letter, safety information, stickers, case. It is also providing a case, a slim SIM ejector tray, basically a Red Cable Club membership card. All this contains under this. Manufacturer is Oppo Mobiles. As you know, OnePlus and Oppo are SIM company kind of. So this is OnePlus 10R 5G 80 watt. So this contains a 80 watt fast charger. Syria Black. RAM is 8GB, ROM is 128GB. IMEI numbers, SRA values, etc, etc. And the retail price, as you can see, maximum retail price is 38,999. This was the price, and which I got it for 500 rupees, 499. So this I'm not unboxing, because what I thought is to give away this as it is sealed pack box to someone actually whom I know. So I don't want to open the seal, but this was the overview video, just how the box looks like and what is the pricing and how I got for this price. So I had OnePlus 8T, guys, which was approximately, I bought it about 3 years back, 2020, when it got launched, and it got a green line after the update. So I went to OnePlus store, and then they told me that the waiting time is approximately 2 to 3 months. So for the screen replacement, so first we have to wait for 2 to 3 months, and then we are not sure how much value the OnePlus 8T would be after 2 to 3 months. So what instead they had another offer where they told me that if I give away that phone, OnePlus 8T phone, I would get a voucher of approximately 27,000 rupees, but I have to purchase something from OnePlus. So I got a voucher of 27,000, and they had another offer where if you buy 10R, specifically one phone, 10R, 128GB variant, either color, either green or blue or black. So if you buy this phone, you get 4,500 extra. So it turns up to be 31,500. So, and then I had OnePlus 8T, I had OnePlus 6 earlier. I was a Red Cable Club member, elite member. So I got approximately 6 or 7,000 extra discount. So overall it turned out to be 38,999 is the actual price. I got 38,500 discount total, and on top of I have to pay 499, which was about 500 rupees, and I got this phone for 500 rupees. I had to give my OnePlus 8T, that is true, but the green line would take, the solution for the green line would take approximately 2 to 3 months, and that was really bad. So I went ahead and chose the coupon which they gave and bought this phone. So this is the story of 500 rupees phone of OnePlus 10R. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. There's a bill and other details, and you know what all inside the box, so I'll not open it for now, and catch you guys in next video. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next video. New videos coming up every 2 weeks, so stay tuned and sayonara.